The precision fabrication of hard materials requires highly sophisticated equipment and skilled operators adept at working with tolerances often measured in millionths of an inch. This ability to fabricate and document very tight tolerances and geometries with ultra-hard or difficult materials is a specialization in which very few are qualified. Insaco is exceptionally qualified, as we pioneered many of the techniques used to meet today's demands for precision fabrication in ultra-hard materials. Insaco's unique capabilities allow us to meet a wide variety of customer needs, spanning major industries that include aerospace, defense, medical, semiconductor, instrumentation, and research. Our specialized fabrication facility is equipped to handle an unmatched range of complex shapes and designs, specifying sapphire, ceramic, quartz, glass, and crystalline materials. We have an engineering perspective and product knowledge unparalleled in the industry, as we continue to invest heavily in equipment that measures tighter tolerances, automation equipment to improve turnaround times, and lean manufacturing systems to help improve cost savings to pass along to our customers. The next time you need a quality, high-precision machined part from hard materials, we hope you will consider Insaco.